the Seat Arona in for a full service. This is a petrol model. Corey's going around doing all the fluid checks and top-ups. Oil filters underneath, so Corey will be doing that when he's dripping the oil. Got an air filter to do and spark plugs. It's only a 3-cylinder engine. Back off the oil cap, pull the dipstick. So there's 7 of these to remove, T25s. Then we can lift the airbox lid and get a filter out. Not looking too bad. New filter to go in. Plugs off the coil packs, then 10 mils to remove these. So that's the first plug out, looking nice. New spark plugs to go in. We're using an NGK laser iridiums on a number 2. Number 2 is looking good. Third one out looking good also. So it's the third new one going in by hand. Don't damage the tips. And always torque up your spark plugs. Heat-proof grease on the end of your coil packs. And again, always good practice to torque up your coil packs. This breather pipe here, I did have to remove it to get the plug off and get the bolt out. These simply do just slide back on with a click. And that's the spark plugs done. Corey's underneath, he's done the oil filter and he's done the oil. Obviously we need to come back up the top here and change the engine oil, but put fresh in. So now with that done, I can get the pollen filter done and I'll let Corey crack on, top the oil up. So to the pollen filter, the glove box, pushing the tabs, it'll pop straight down. And you've got this little box here. When you flick these tabs, that's on the top. You'll be able to pull it down. See how that will flip down? You'll be able to lift it up and take that off. It's got a Mahale filter in. And that's never had one, the state of that. New filter going, fresh engine oil going in. So that's this service complete, or the service data. So we've got a top down Phoenix Max out now for a service reset and diagnostic check. We'll auto scan it, we'll pick up the VIN by itself. It's come through the diagnostic screen now. We'll do a high speed scan on this. The speed of these things is crazy. Once it comes off this loading page, the way it'll read the control units is nuts. It's like that. From here we can click system list, have a scroll through if we want to. Right rear turn signal, instrument cluster, communication issues, could be anything, could be flat battery, internal mount function. Let's just clear all these off. Everything's cleared by one control module, which we're not really fussed about. We can hit special functions here. And I know people probably watching it, oh yeah, you can't just leave it. You can. It's one of those things where if you read technical data, it'll say ignore that fault code because it's the one what's present but won't show. There's a lot to understand when you're working on cars, especially new stuff. So we're going to go minor reset. And the reason we're doing a minor is because we've got to do the minor first. And we're using high efficiency oil, 15,000 kilometers. That's okay, but it won't reset the maintenance indicator on the dashboard, so you have to do it through major on 15,000 at 365 days. Once that's done, that's a full service reset on the dashboard of a VW or Seat.